Let us continue the topic Incorporation of Branch Trail Balance. Today, we'll consider the journal entries and ledger as per a detailed method of incorporation. Under detailed incorporation method, branch trading and profit and loss account is prepared to incorporate all revenues, assets, and liabilities through branch account in order to prepare the consolidated balance sheet. And at the end of the process, the branch account in the head office book and head office account in the branch book will be closed. Now, coming to accounting process, for writing journal entries under detailed incorporation method, we need to focus on three important elements. One is passing journal entries, second one is the preparation of branch trading profit and loss account, and third one is preparation of branch account. So our focus should be limited to these three aspects because these three are intercorrelated. We know that we have to pass the entries, and based on the entries we have to consider the accounts. Now here, based on journal entries, we are considering only two important accounts. One is branch trading profit and loss account, and another one is a simple branch account. Now, let us have a look on the same. Now, see, journal entries, branch trading profit and loss account, and a branch account. This is only a specimen of items which to be required for our incorporation of branch trial balance. I will explain one by one. So, here you can see that in branch account, two balance brought down. That means there should be some opening balance for branch account. It may be given. Directly from the question as branch account balance of rupees 10,000, something like that we have to expect, or it may be head office account credit balance of rupees 10,000, something like that we have to consider. And if it is directly given, this 10,000 to be recorded directly to debit side of the branch account. And if head office account shows a credit balance of rupees 10,000, which means that there is a corresponding debit balance in the branch account. That's what we have to expect. And if any difference will be there, that difference is called, difference should be considered by passing rectification entries. So that the difference may be called difference in transit items such as goods in transit or cash in transit. Now, we'll move to branch trading account. You just imagine a normal trading profit and loss account. We know that in normal trading profit and loss account, we have to consider expenses and income. And in trading account, we have to debit all the direct expenses, opening stock, etc. And in credit side, we have to record sales and closing stock. And in normal profit and loss account, we have to debit all the indirect expenses and we have to credit all the indirect income. Now, what are the things to be considered while preparing branch trading profit and loss account? Now we will discuss first branch trading account area. Now these are the area to be considered now. So while writing the entry, we have to be care that we are not supposed to specify the items such as opening stock, purchases, wages, outstanding wages, sales, closing stock, etc. into our journal entry part. But these items to be specified in branch trading account. Now, first entry. Branch trading account debtor to branch account. Branch trading account debtor to branch account. We have to record opening stock, purchases less returns, wages, outstanding wages. The value should be shown in the inner column and net effect should be shown in the outer column. Now we can see the entry. First entry, branch trading account debtor to branch account. See the narration given, entry for debit side of the branch trading account such as opening stock, purchases, etc. Now the same should be posted to branch account as by branch trading. Okay. So this will be our first posting actually. Now coming to second entry, credit side of the branch trading account. Entry will be branch account debtor to branch trading. See the entry, branch account debtor to branch trading. Now coming to branch account, this will be our second posting actually. Second transaction and second posting. Okay. Now, we know that the net result of branch trading account will be the gross profits or gross loss. If it is gross profit, we have to total credit side and transfer to debit side, find the balance. Hence, entry will be branch trading account debtor to branch P&L. See, branch trading account debtor to branch P&L. You can see the journal entry. Third entry, branch trading account debtor to branch P&L. Now, in journal entry, you can see that 3A and 3B. If it is loss, the entry will be reversed. Then the entry will be branch profit and loss account debtor to branch trading account. If it is loss, we have to total the debit side, transfer it and find out the balancing figure as branch profit and loss account. Now here we are taking an assumption that the branch is having the profit. Now for the third entry, no effect in the case of branch account. It's very, very important. When we are finding the gross profit amount, hence the entry required for getting the profit, in such case that entry won't be affected in branch account, because in debit side, debit account is branch trading account and credit account is branch profit and loss account. Nowhere we are considering branch account alone. So it's very, very important for the students while attending the question during the exam. Now coming to next area, that is our profit or loss account area. Now debit side expenses, entry will be branch profit or loss account debtor to branch account. Then we have to specify all the items and amount should be shown in the inner column and net effect should be shown in the outer column. Now we'll consider the entry, fourth entry, branch profit and loss account debtor to branch account. Now you can see the narration also, entry for debit side of the branch profit and loss account and accounts such as expenses outstanding expenses, etc. Now the same should be posted to branch account, branch P and L. Okay. Now next entry to be considered for the credit side items, entry will be branch account debtor to branch P and L. Branch account debtor to branch P and L. So fifth entry, branch account debtor to branch profit and loss account. This also to be affected in profit and loss account, branch account. So this should be our fourth item or fourth transaction which is affecting in the branch account. Now coming to the last part, that is getting profit or loss. Here we are just assuming that our firm is having the profit amount, so we have to consider the entry related to the profits. When the branch is having the profit, the entry will be branch profit and loss account to general profit and loss account. So whatever may be the net result, that net result should be transferred to general profit and loss account of the head office. The entry will be branch account to branch profit and loss account to general profit and loss account. So sixth entry will be branch profit and loss account to general profit and loss account. Here also 6A or B, if it is loss, then entry will be reversed, that is general profit and loss account to branch profit and loss account. Hence, in such case, you have to total debit side and transfer the same to credit side and find out the balance somewhere here. So, total 6 entries to be considered for trading and profit and loss account, and out of 6, 2 entries are option when the firm is getting profit or loss. Either a profit or loss should be ascertained by the firm for both the gross profit as well as net profit cases. Okay, so then otherwise the normal entries will be total entries will be 8 entries, and 6 entries are the normal entries, and additional 2 entries are the optional or the OR entries to be considered. Now the other entries which are affecting the branch account. Once again I am telling that for getting the profit amount, that profit amount won't be affected in branch account. Only direct expenses, direct income, indirect expenses, indirect income. Now other entries which are affecting the branch account are the closing assets as well as closing liabilities. Closing assets as well as closing liabilities. We know that for closing branch assets, entry will be branch assets account to branch account. Entry for closing branch assets including transit items, income receivables, outstanding income we need to consider. So in branch account, we have to specify each asset on the closing day. This is very, very, very important. It is our responsibility that we have to highlight each assets which are closed and transferred to head office at the end of closing day. And last entry for incorporating the closing branch liabilities, entry will be branch account debtor to branch liabilities. In this case also, we have to consider each liabilities. We have to specify each liabilities in the branch creditors. Now, finally, after entering all the details, the branch account doesn't show any balancing figure. Branch account doesn't show any balancing figure. Here it is specified that at the end of the process, branch account in the head office book and the head office account in the branch account will be closed. So that is why after entering all the details, this branch account will be closed, because while starting the problem itself, we have to specify the closing balances in the branch account. You have to put that value as opening balance. This may be available from directly from the question, branch account debit balance, something like that, or head office account of a branch shows a credit balance. Hence, branch account balance will be debit balance. And if it is debit balance account, then the opening balance should be shown credit side by balance brought down. Thank you.